From Apple Valley News Now, First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Josh Colbreth.
Welcome back to Good Morning Northwest. It is a First Alert weather day for Cascade passes as they're going to be snowed over. And let's go ahead and take a look at that snowfall map. 10 a.m. on Tuesday to 4 a.m. on Wednesday, going with 8 to 9 inches of snow for Interstate 90 and for U.S. Highway 12. A little dusting of snow for the Kittitas Valley. We've pulled back some of those amounts in the Yakima Valley, and then 5 inches of snow still for Oregon 204 at Tollgate. So if you have to travel over the passes for today, especially in the Cascades, have the tire chains, have the winter safety kit ready to go. Now, speaking of the valleys, 1 a.m. to 10 a.m. for tomorrow morning, that's when we could see a light glaze of ice possible in the Kittitas Valley in particular. So some of those roadways could be icy for tomorrow morning. Also, we could see a little glaze of ice up in the Cascades and for some of our Blue Mountain passes, but the snowfall is going to be more impactful. Here's the 30,000-foot view of things over the next handful of days. So this storm system number 1, you're seeing right here with a cold front, a warm front, and a occluded front. And so that is going to sweep through the region over the next couple days. But by tomorrow afternoon, we'll get a little break in the action before that next storm system hits us for Wednesday through Friday. This one's going to be warmer because of the warm front you were just looking at on your screen. And because of that, there's not going to be as much snow with that round. So let's take a more finite look at the next 48 hours with Futurecast radar. So 8 this morning, seeing the snowfall picking up in the Cascades. I'm thinking the heaviest accumulations are going to start after 10 a.m. though, and then maybe getting a little rain snow mix for the valleys. And this is going to be one of those days where I can just kind of step off the screen for Futurecast, as it's going to be this constant onslaught of moisture throughout the day. Now, by midnight, maybe trending a little bit drier for the valleys and for the Cascades. And then we're going to start off the day on Wednesday much drier in comparison to today, but watch what happens as we head into the afternoon. That next storm system starts to show its impacts, and so rainfall will start to pick up across the map, and that'll continue into Thanksgiving Day. If that went by a little bit too fast, you can see those hour-by-hour precip chances for your neck of the woods by downloading the Apple Valley News Now First Alert weather app. Here's the 7-day forecast for the Tri-Cities. Chances of rain today through Saturday, although Friday and Saturday are trending drier. In Yakima, rain likely today, drier for Wednesday, but wetter again for Thanksgiving Day. In Ellensburg, snow mixing in throughout the day, although accumulations will be minimal. Then perhaps some icy roadways tomorrow morning. For Hermiston, rain chances will hover around 50-50 for today, tomorrow, and Thanksgiving. Drier for Black Friday and Saturday. And finally, for Walla Walla, consistent rain chances today through Black Friday, then watching the potential of a few flurries flying on Saturday.